Scholars and welcome. It is week 1 of MPA 560, Research Methods for Public Administration. So this is going to be the first of several videos, and hopefully around 8 videos, that you're going to get from me. And my intention is to provide you one of these videos each week. And these videos will just serve, it will arm you with the information that will be necessary to navigate this course successfully. I'll try to get them always to you. Either on Monday or Sunday, the very beginning of the week, so you have that information as you navigate through each week. So let's jump here into week 1. So to begin with, week 1, we have our agenda, and as you can see, our agenda is broken down in that we're going to have some lectures, we're going to have some reading activities, there's some videos, and then there's 2 deliverables. As you can see from the lecture, there's going to be a welcome lecture, and then there's going to be a week 1 overview. In our readings, you're going to have it out of the 2 texts. In the Bamberg text, we're in chapter 1 and 9, and in the Park text, we're in chapters 1 and 2. And then there's a couple videos that I've provided to help you navigate and understand some of these different video concepts of qualitative and quantitative analysis. And then we have our 2 deliverables. So let's jump into each one of these. So to begin with, we have an introductory PowerPoint that's followed up with a video. So I always, tell everybody, walk through the PowerPoint, watch the video, and walk through the PowerPoint again. And when you start hearing things that are repetition, or you start hearing things 1, 2, 3, 4 times, that's probably a piece of information you're going to want to retain for the remainder of this course. We have once again a overview PowerPoint and a overview video of that PowerPoint. So once again, thumb through the PowerPoint and then watch the video. The video is fairly long. I think it might be like almost 50 minutes, 48 minutes. And when you're listening to the video, you're going to hear someone's voice that's slightly different than mine. And that's because that voice is Dr. Sundstrom. Dr. Sundstrom is one of my colleagues. And she does such a great job in narrating these PowerPoints that I thought that there would be no reason for me to delete these, redo them in my own voice, because I still don't believe I could do them quite as well as her. So take her voice, take her words, and listen, because she'll deliver you some great information on these first few chapters this week. The next, we have our Ask Your Instructor, and it's just a link in a discussion board that if you have any issues that you want to communicate with me, there would be a forum. We then go into a video that's going to talk about the difference between quantitative and qualitative analysis. And this is going to be an important piece of information and an important distinction that you're going to need to know the difference between the 2 of these. Set that foundation as we move forward. So now let's jump into our 2 deliverables. For our 2 deliverables, we have a multimedia introduction. So this is going to be due by Saturday at 11:59, and your responses are due by Sunday at 11:59. So as you can see, there's a day in between those because we want you to submit that first one on Saturday evening, which gives you an entire day to make your response. So I want you to read through. Step 1, we're going to develop a PowerPoint presentation, develop a brief recorded presentation providing a brief description with the following information. Tell us about yourself. Where do you work? Have you ever lived or traveled outside the United States? Some favorite locations. Where would you like to visit? If not, and do you have any experiences with program evaluation, research methods, or statistics? Should be about 2 or 3 minutes. And then step 2, we're going to create that narrated presentation. So we're going to create a presentation with slides and a narrated video. Slides should be graphic heavy with little or no text. Speak naturally. Please do not read from your presentation. This is to try out the technology and begin talking through the material. And step 3, we're going to host your presentation. So to host your own presentation to a site like YouTube or Vimeo, and we're going to embed that link to our finished product to a discussion board by Saturday night. And what we really mean by hosting your presentation is that you're going to develop a PowerPoint, you're then going to narrate it, then you're going to upload it, and we need to upload it in some sort of forum that we can all view and see. That isn't going to be limited with file sizes or being able to upload or download. And then finally, we're going to respond to others. So please respond to a minimum of 2 other students, welcome them to the class, offering encouraging, sharing any common thoughts. And then the scoring, finally. The presentation will be completed with slide and narration, upload to a host site, and embed to the discussion board to review any points. Once those tasks are completed, 80% is possible for the post, and 20% will be for your follow-up to 2 of your colleagues. And then our second deliverable is a weekly discussion board. And once again, we're going to be utilizing that same sort of format. Post by Saturday evening, response by Sunday evening. You're going to develop a PowerPoint presentation, develop a brief recorded presentation providing a brief introduction with the following information in the order listed below. Which agency is running your selected program? What is the name of the program? What specific services do they offer? What is the budget for your program? How many staff work in the program? Why do they serve, the history and the number served, and why did you select this program? The presentation should be short, about 2-3 minutes. We're going to create that narrated presentation. It shouldn't be graphic heavy with little or no text. Once again, speak naturally. Please do not read from your presentation. We're going to upload it to some sort of site that we can host it, and we're going to embed that link in the discussion board by Saturday night. And then I ask for you to respond to 2 of your fellow colleagues. 80% will be for your presentation, and 20% will be for your responses to others. So there you have it. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free to reach out to me. I will get you that information as quickly as possible. And like with my advice, moving forward, or maybe not so much my advice, but like the rules that I go by with this course, that if I hear from you, or if you have problems, you need to let me know. If I'm not hearing from you, I assume everything is going well and this course is navigating at a pace and you are easily able to navigate it. If that isn't the case, reach out to me. There isn't very many problems that we couldn't solve when working together. So having a great week. I look forward to hearing and listening to your presentations. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out. Bye for now.